Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the recording for skills at the rate 100 where for 100 days we are bringing for you 100 different speakers from all over the country.
The speaker is Advocate Gautam Sharma, and we have learned how we can convert PDF into Excel, how we can download automatic returns, and many other use cases.
So now, what are we waiting for? Let's go.
Hello everyone, welcome to 71st session for skills at the rate 100 where we are trying to bring for you 100 different speakers for 100 different subjects. Today is a very special subject because it has gained momentum very recently. After Python, this is the second most sought language. We are talking about Power Automate, how we can automate our routine task. PDF to Excel, PDF to Tally is a big problem. We are using online tools. I love PDF. Everybody loves I love PDF, and I love PDF loves you more because you are continuously giving data to I love PDF, right? So we have one solution. We are going to see some practical proper use cases about Power Automate. We have a very special speaker, my advocate Gautam Sharma ji. Rest, there is no need of any introduction. Already we have introduced you many times. Okay, so we are very excited. Gautam ji, over to you.
Thank you so much, Lokesh ji, and I am very excited to start the session today. And before starting, I would ask you to please unmute everyone. I want this session to be interactive. एक बार ही आप unmute कर दीजिए. थोड़ी देर बाद फिर जब हम serious topics में जाएंगे तब हम
Okay, anybody can unmute them. Gautam ji, आपको भी anybody can unmute them. Please try.
okay.
I have given the option that you can unmute voluntarily.
I would ask everyone to please drop in the comment box from which state you are. आप लोग कहाँ से ज्वाइन किए हो आज? मैं हर सेशन में सोचता था ये पूछूंगा, लेकिन कर्नाटका, ओके, आसाम, ओडिशा, गुजरात, मुंबई, कोलकाता, तमिलनाडु, सूरत, गुजरात, यूपी,
थैंक यू
अपने पूरे इंडिया कवर कर चुके हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. कच्छ से हैं, गुजरात से, महाराष्ट्र, तमिलनाडु. ओके, मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आई थिंक महाराष्ट्र से आज ज्वाइन किए हैं, तमिलनाडु से भी, इंदौर, एमपी, वेस्ट बंगाल. ओह ग्रेट, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग दिस सेशन. सो आप सभी के ऑफिस में एक बहुत छोटी सी प्रॉब्लम तो होती ही है. हिंदी में चलेगा या इंग्लिश में स्टार्ट करें?
बेटर सर इंग्लिश रहता है ताकि
इंग्लिश. ओके, सो in our office we all face a very common problem, that is downloading the attachment file from our email and saving it in the respective client's folder, correct? If I'm right, please drop yes in the chat box. We all face a very common problem that whenever a client sends a attachment or sends an email, we have to manually download the attachment and we have to save it in the respective client's folder, correct? Yes, all of us saying yes. Fine. So I would ask Lokesh ji first to please share his screen and send any attachment to my email ID. I'm dropping my email ID here in my chat box.
Okay.
And I will request all of you please not to send anything right now. After the demonstration you can send.
Okay, give me one
you can
second.
see that. Lokesh ji, you can please.
Yeah, there's these sounds and all. That's why I have to mute everyone. Okay.
No problem. अभी आप सबको म्यूट कर दीजिए. And Lokesh ji, please send any attachment, one PDF, one or two images like that.
Okay, just give me one
And
second.
then once you send, I will start. I will share my screen after that. And make sure recording is going on.
Yes, sir, definitely. Okay, I am getting myself confused. Give me 1 second. Yes, recording is on, don't worry. And now I have to share my screen. Yes, entire screen. Okay. Okay, my screen is visible. Okay, invoice is there. Okay. What should I send?
Anything. You can send any invoices,
Okay.
any image file, anything.
Any docs. Okay. Email? Yes.
Yes, I have shared on the chat box.
Okay, just give me 1 second.
gautamsreply@gmail.com.
Just give me 1 second. I have to mute everyone. Please don't mind.
मुझे अनम्यूट कर दीजिएगा.
You can unmute yourself, Gautam ji. Okay, मैंने आपको
Okay,
मेल
done.
भेजा. Documents. Okay, and this I have one word relieving letter. These three documents.
Okay. जब मैं
Please
बोलूँ उसके बाद सेंड बटन क्लिक कीजिएगा.
find attached. Okay,
जस्ट एक मिनट.
okay.
मैं जस्ट अपनी फोल्डर को ओपन कर लेता हूँ ताकि मैं यहाँ पर प्रेजेंट कर सकूँ. Okay, so you can click on the send button.
Okay, let me check.
Yeah.
I have three documents: invoice, what PDF, image, and document. Send.
Okay, fine.
बस
So
रिलीविंग लेटर आप खोलना मत. Just
now
kidding.
I am sharing my screen. The email has been sent and now I am sharing my screen. I hope my screen is visible to all. Please confirm.
It's loading. Voice is low. Somebody is telling, but voice is audible to me. Yes, your screen is visible.
Okay, Power Automate desktop is there.
Yes.
I am just minimizing everything. And here my Google Drive is there. So I am just showing you my Google Drive. My hands are here. You can see I am not having access to my email or to my mouse or keyboard, anything. Now let us just have some good conversation with you all. And can you please confirm for converting any PDF bank statement to Excel, what do you use? Chat box. Okay. Power Query. Oh, great. I love PDF, I love PDF, I love PDF, PDF Studio, Taboola. ये कुछ नया है, ये हमको भी देखना पड़ेगा. Power Query. Okay. So I love PDF. I would request you all to please participate. PDF Gear. Okay, I love PDF. So yesterday I have asked in my WhatsApp channel also for merging or splitting any PDF. What you prefer? So most of them have replied me with I love PDF. Some of them told PDF 24 or something. Someone told Nitro PDF, like that. And now I am showing you one folder. Here in this folder you can see I have just clicked on this date modified so that I can get the latest folder here, and the first folder is update@airtel.com. Okay, now my Google Drive is syncing. I am not doing anything. Automatically it is syncing every minute. And now you can see techflowhub.ghy@gmail.com. This is a new email ID and these are some attachments. And here if you can see, a new folder has been created right now. Inside that, today's date. Oh great, my image, and one invoice is there. So Lokesh, you have shared 2 attachments only, or please confirm?
I think 3 were there. 3. One Word file was
3?
also there.
Okay, not to worry. We have to just
Relieving
refresh.
letter.
Can you please confirm with your sent email? And if there are only 2 items, please share your screen once and confirm it with all.
But there are 3 items, sir.
3 items, okay.
One Word file is also there.
What is the extension of that Word file?
docx.
Okay, let me confirm here. One image, one doc file, and one PDF. Okay, not to worry, it will come. Or might be due to some security reasons, Google उसे ब्लॉक कर दिया होगा, ऐसा भी हो सकता है कभी कभी किसी डॉक्यूमेंट में अगर कोई सिक्योरिटी रीजन से कुछ चीजें रहती हैं तो गूगल उसे ब्लॉक कर देता है।
डॉक्यूमेंट तो रिलीविंग लेटर है, डेंजरस तो है ही। सॉरी, दैट्स अ बैड जोक।
नॉट टू वरी, देख लेते हैं। Only attachment but email text. No, Sri Hari Rao, we can get the email text messages also, that body content, but that is not necessary to dump somewhere. If you want to do that, we can do it like automatically. The email body will be pasted in your Google Sheet or in your Excel online. That we can. It's still syncing. It's checking if any other file is there.
Let me check the
Okay,
size.
you can see
Yes.
my flow cannot be wrong. Just kidding. So now you can see all three attachments are here. And the thing is, I have not done anything. I just created a flow hosted in my Power Automate cloud, and that's it. Now every time if someone is trying to send an email with some attachments, if the email contains any attachment, automatically in my local computer here in this folder, one folder will be created with the email ID, and then inside that date wise folders will be created automatically. Inside that the attachments will be saved automatically. I don't have to do anything. This is the first use case for today. This is what we can do with Power Automate. This was just a basic example. Now you might be thinking, sir, if someday we are receiving multiple emails from a person, or from one email ID, if we are receiving emails every day, then what will happen? So let me go to another folder. Here in this folder you can see from Airtel I have received my invoices every month. So you can see every month how it is getting saved. Some invoices I have deleted, so you cannot see the folders here. And this is the today's latest email attachment that I have received just 1 or 1.5 hours ago. I made a payment to Airtel and I got the receipt, and it has been saved automatically in my folder. So this was the first use case for today. Now let us move to how to create this kind of things in Power Automate. So before moving ahead, I will first make one thing clear, that in Power Automate two kind of softwares or two modules are there. One is the cloud module, another one is the desktop application. If you want to prepare or if you want to make this kind of flow where you don't have to do anything, if something happens, automatically the actions will be taken in your computer. So for this kind of things you have to go with Power Automate Cloud. That means even if your computer is turned off, even if your mobile is turned off, it doesn't matter, your Gmail will be linked with the Power Automate Cloud flow, and whenever you receive an email, automatically Power Automate will trigger the flow. It will fetch the attachment and it will dump the attachment in your Google Drive. This can be done automatically. You don't have to do anything. Now I will show you how I made this flow. So for that, we have to go to make.powerautomate.com. This is the official website for Power Automate by Microsoft. And if you have to use Power Automate Cloud, you will have to take a basic subscription from Microsoft Office, and the monthly rental is around 149 rupees or 147 rupees only. You don't have to go for the premium monthly 1700 or 1900 something, the pricing is there. You don't have to go with that plan. If you want to make this kind of automations, you can just simply go with 147 rupees plan per month, and then you can get the access to Power Automate Cloud. Power Automate Desktop is completely free. Not all the features, but most of the features are free for all. You don't have to take any subscription from Microsoft for Power Automate Desktop application, right? Now I'm moving to the section My Flow, and here you can see I'm having some flows. There is seamless or endless use case that we can create here. For example, what we can do in Power Automate Cloud, whenever your supplier is sending you an email, that invoice, automatically that invoice will be saved in your local computer. This is what we have already seen. After that, the PDF invoice will be converted into Excel. That too can be done from Power Automate. After that, using Power Automate desktop application, we can make a flow using which what we can do, when we will try to run the flow, automatically our tally will open, and the Excel invoices, like the PDF which has been converted into Excel and the Excel has been saved into my local computer, those invoices will be posted to my tally automatically. All these things can be done using Power Automate. We don't have to do anything, just one click for running the Power Automate desktop application, and even that too we can automate using a batch file in Windows. So we will go one by one. Let me quickly show you the flow. Save Gmail attachment. So here I have the first action was, this is action, the first thing that I want to trigger. This is an action. When a new email arrives, then what I have to do? First of all, I am making some conditions, whether I have to look for whether it is important or not, it is starred or not, it has any attachment or not, everything. And then I am applying a label to that email, that is the inbox label. I am applying a condition here. I am creating a variable. What is variable, what is loop, we are going to cover in a couple of minutes. And then I just have applied a few more steps and done. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In just 5 steps, I have created the flow, and the things are working for my office. I think I have created this flow in 2022, and from 3 or 4 years continuously I am using, and till now there is no error, and I haven't missed any attachment or I have not downloaded anything manually in my computer. Now Lokesh ji has shared one attachment, and that attachment was a PDF file, I guess. So we can see here one PDF is there, and let me just quickly open this PDF. So here some invoices are there, and oh my god, 460 pages are there. 460 pages invoices are there, and each and every invoice, we can see the invoice number is different. Here it is 17, in the next page it is 18, and like that. Now I want to split this PDF into multiple pages. So what to do? How to do that? For that we have to go to our Microsoft Store, and from Microsoft Store we have to search for an application, Power Automate Desktop. If you are trying to do it side by side, you can please do that. I will go very slowly this time. Power Automate Desktop. In my computer already I have installed the application there. Wait, you can see, and in my computer already it is installed. If in your computer it is installed, and if you want to do it side by side, you can please start the flow with me. So after opening Power Automate Desktop, the screen will come like this. Here, if you want to create a new flow, either you can click on this new flow here, or if you want to see your existing flows that you have already created, you can go to this flow tab, and now you can see all the flows that you have created. So here is my merge selected PDF flow. I will explain you the complete process how I have created this, and you can please try in your computer also. And now you can see with only one step I am going to merge, or if I want to split the PDF, for that also I have created a flow here. For splitting the PDF I have created another flow where I have 11 steps, and with these 11 steps my entire PDF will be converted or splitted in seconds. I will show you now. So the moment I click on run flow, what will happen? A pop-up will open. This is the pop-up box, and now I am going to browse my PDF. Now you can see the steps are getting automated. This is what we call loop. ऑटोमेटिकली जो भी स्टेप्स इसको फॉलो करने हैं ये कर रहा है. और अब अगर मैं अपने फोल्डर पे जाता हूं, नाउ इफ आई गो टू माय फोल्डर एंड इफ आई शो यू व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन, देन यू कैन सी you might be thinking it is very slow, right? Okay, let me do one thing. Let me stop the flow, and here in the run delay let me make it 1 millisecond, and then let me let me just delete it. And now again, after making it 1 millisecond run delay, let me click on run again. So it is asking me again to browse the PDF which I want to split. Now you can see the speed. You can see 56, 85, 88, 92, 95, 99, 103. This is how we can split our PDF in Power Automate, but I have just shown you the use case. Now we will go step by step how to create this flow. Okay. It will take hardly 10 seconds more to complete the things. Already 348 or 350, 360, 370, 390, 414, 440, 448, 451, 453, and now I can see the message: your splitted PDF into 460 PDF files. Find them. The spelling is incorrect, I will correct that. Find them here in this path. Okay, so now I am having all my splitted PDFs. Now let us quickly see how to do this. So in order to create the flow, first of all you have to go to the Action tab, and here you have to select Display, select File dialog, this one, and then you have to just drag and drop it in the right side. Now here you have to give the display message, the dialog title, like I have given here, please provide PDF path you want to split. So whatever message you want to give, you can give that here. And then we have to give an initial folder. Initial folder means, I will show you again. When I run this flow, I am getting a browse option, and automatically one folder is opening every time, and every time this same folder will open. So this is my initial folder, right? So first of all, in the dialog box, we have to write a message, whatever you want to write, and then you have to click here and you can browse your initial folder by clicking on this button, select folder. The moment you click there, you will get this kind of option. You can browse any folder and then just you have to click on select folder, and then the folder path will come here automatically. And then here I am applying a filter that in the folder there can be multiple files. In the folder there can be multiple files. It can be a JPG, it can be a PNG file, it can be a Word file, it can be a exe file, anything. I just want to filter a PDF file. So for creating a filter, we have to start with a star mark, and then I have given the extension .pdf, and then I have enabled these two options, keep file selection dialog box always on top, and check if the file exists. After making these two options enabled, I am getting these two variables here. Variable is nothing in coding, just a box where you are going to put something, and for example you are कौन सी डिश बनाऊं, you are preparing पनीर बटर मसाला. So first of all आप पनीर लाते हो, पनीर के पीसेस चॉप करते हो, उसे एक बाउल में रखते हो. तो जो बाउल है ना वो वेरिएबल है. द बाउल इज वर्किंग एज अ वेरिएबल. जब आप कढ़ाई में मसाला वगैरह बना रहे हो, आप उसे फ्राई कर रहे हो, आप उस पनीर को लेके अपने कढ़ाई में डालते हो. मतलब कि उस वेरिएबल में जो वैल्यू स्टोर थी उस वैल्यू को कहीं और आप पुट कर रहे हो, राइट. पूरे डिटेल में वेरिएबल और लूप को बताना एक सेशन के अंदर इजीली पॉसिबल नहीं होगा, क्योंकि वेरिएबल और लूप को समझाने के लिए मल्टीपल एग्जांपल्स लेने पड़ेंगे. तो उसके लिए मैं थोड़ा सा इस टॉपिक मतलब इसको समझाने पे ज़्यादा फोकस नहीं कर रहा वेरिएबल और लूप को. जस्ट मैं आपको स्टेप्स बताते जा रहा हूँ ताकि आप साइड बाय साइड कर सकें इसे. वेरिएबल और लूप्स के लिए हम एक अलग से सेशन यहाँ पर प्लान कर सकते हैं, जहाँ पर मैं आपको वेरिएबल और लूप्स जो है डिटेल में बता दूंगा. सो आफ्टर creating those two variables, that is select file and buttons pressed, here in the action box I am looking for set variable, and I am just dragging it in this side. In the set variable is nothing but the PDF count. For like I have to split for each page. In the PDF we were having around 461 or 460 pages, so I have to split it after each page, after one page. So I am just storing a variable here, that is 1, and then the variable name is automatically created page count. Or if you want to change the variable name as per your choice, you can simply double click here and you can write whatever you want. Okay. After that I am creating another one variable, that if the status is okay, if the status is okay means if after every one page, like the loop will be going on for unlimited times. If we are able to find the next page, that means if it is okay, then only we have to proceed, otherwise we have to show a message that your flow has been completed or the task has been completed. Now I have created a list. So how I created a list? I have selected create new list, this action, and dragged it here, and here I have stored a variable extracted PDF files, and now I have selected loop condition. So loop can be for multiple category or multiple types, exit loop, loop condition, each loop, next loop, for each, multiple kind of loops can be there. For this kind of use case we have to select loop condition. When you will drag and drop the loop condition, your screen will come like this. Here we have to follow the next step only if this status step is equal to OK. We have to follow the next step only if the status variable is showing us OK. And then I have selected the action extract PDF file page to a new PDF, this one, and I have just dragged it here. The moment you will drag it here first of all we are using the variable selected file. From where we got the selected file variable, we have stored the variable here, selected file, the file that we are going to select. And then page selection, we are getting the second variable here in the second step, page count. So we are checking the page selection and then the extracted PDF file path where we want to extract it. So for this, what I have done, I have clicked on this X variable and then I went to this extracted PDF files, and here I have selected directory, not directory, name, wait, selected file and then the name, this one, so that from where I am going to pick the PDF file, my splitted files will be stored in that path only. And then just I have clicked on save. After that, I have added a new item, because for each PDF I have to add a new page. I have to create a new PDF, and here I have given a new variable extracted PDF files. If you want to give the variable, you can just click anywhere. You can go to this X, and from here you can simply select your variable names that already you have created. After each page, I have to move to the next page. After counting each page, like page number 1, then I have to go to next page, that is page number 2. So for that, I am adding one value. I am adding one value to the variable page count. So in this variable, in the second step, the variable that we are getting, in that variable, I am adding +1, and in Power Automate we write the name of variable with this percent button, percent symbol, not button. With the percent symbol we have to mention our variable. I know for some of you this might be confusing, that what is this variable, why we are using this. So please try to understand, in a single class it will be very difficult for me to explain variable and loops. So for that definitely we need multiple classes. After that, I have given a label. I have given for with the name out of bound. Out of bound means when the task is going to complete and we are not able to get the status OK. If we are moving to the last page and we are not able to find any more pages, we will get a label out of bound, and then we are getting a display message, that this message will be displayed, and you can see here the find spelling was incorrect, and where I have to save this, I am saving it in selected file directory. So for this I have just clicked on this X mark and selected file, and here I have selected this directory, and then just click on save. Once you have completed all these steps, you can click on run and you will be able to split your PDF files. I hope you are able to understand. Please confirm.
In message it's written we are going fast, but you can explain one more time, if maybe in short or something.
Okay, so for that what I will do is, instead of splitting a single, okay, for multiple PDF there will be a different flow. So let me quickly open that, or let me go with a very simple flow, one-step flow. That will be easy for all and they will be able to catch easily, I guess. So let me do one thing. We have already splitted a lot of PDFs here. Now let me quickly move all this PDF into a single folder. Okay, so I am selecting 270 PDF files. I am taking this PDF file and I am creating a new folder and I am just dumping it here. You can see the total item is 279. I am taking the folder path. I am going to merge multiple PDFs. So how to do that? For that only a single step is sufficient, and we just have to go with, let me go with a new flow. The name is merge multiple PDF. You can give any name of your choice and you have to click on create. And here we have to search for merge, and within the PDF we have to drag and drop this merge PDF files. The moment we drag and drop it here, we will get a pop-up box like this, where first of all it is asking PDF files. So we can browse our PDF files here. So just we have to click on this select, and then we can select all our PDF with the shift or down button, or you can use your mouse, or you can select those PDFs that you want to convert or you want to merge. After selecting all, you have to click on open. The moment you click on open, you will get a red box. So just press delete button and write the % again, and the error will be cleared automatically. Then here it is asking for merge PDF path, where you want to get the final file. So I want to get a file here, PDF merged, like that. I am creating a folder and I want a file name invoices.pdf, and then click on open. So you can see I have created a new folder, PDF merged, and then inside that I want to create a new PDF file with the name invoice.pdf, and I want this, and it's asking that if the same name exists, then what you want to do. You want to add a sequential file suffix like invoices.pdf, then in bracket 1 bracket 2, like that, or if you want to overwrite, or what you want to do. So I'm clicking on add sequential suffix, then I'm clicking on save, and now my flow is ready. The moment I click on run, before running this I will show you one more thing. I will just open the PDF, the folder. So here I am having my folder, and the moment I click on run, you can see what will happen here. You can see a new invoices PDF is there. If I open, you can see 279 PDFs, 279 pages are now merged, and it is there in a single PDF. This is how we can create basic flows in Power Automate, and you don't have to go with the advanced flows. Whenever you are trying to learn something, go with the very basic one. Then only you will be more confident and you will be able to do the things. Otherwise you will lose your interest, and this is not that hard. I know for most of you, you might not be knowing what is a variable and what is a loop, so that is a challenge for you. Now moving ahead to another one use case, where we will try to convert a PDF bank statement into Excel. So for that, what I am going to do is, I will show you one PDF bank statement here. So here is a bank statement I am having for Canara Bank, having multiple pages, you can see. Now I want to convert this bank statement into my Excel. So for that also I have created a flow, and you can see only 6 steps are actually this is not 6 steps, only 4 or 5 steps are there. The first one is extract table from PDF, where I have given the PDF path from where I want to get my PDF. So this is my PDF file path, and from which page I want to extract the table, that I have selected all. Then I am creating a variable, because after getting the data from the first page I want to move to the next page. So I created a variable with the value 0, that is I want to start with the first page, and then in the loop, like after first page what I have to do, I have to go to the next page. So I am increasing the old variable, the old value with 1 every time. And here I have given a command that I have to write the table, extracted table, into my CSV file. So the moment I click on run, it is going to save the bank statement in CSV in this folder path. See, user account, desktop, bank statement, and canara.csv. So here is my bank statement folder, and here is that canara.csv. You can see the time. If I click twice, okay, so it has appended my data. Let me run it again. Already the file was there, and I have selected append PDF here in CSV. So for that reason it was showing Kotak Mahindra data in that Excel CSV sheet. So now you can see it took around 495 rows, and it has converted the complete PDF in my Excel with only 4 or 5 steps. This is what we can do with Power Automate. And this Power Automate desktop is you don't have to go for any subscription. This can be done easily and free of cost. Now what more we can do with Power Automate is, let's suppose I want to fetch email using Power Automate desktop for a particular client. Okay, so for that also like we can connect our Gmail and we can fetch data for any client. So what happened day before yesterday is, in my office I asked my article to download the email attachments of a client and save it in a folder. Why? Because my Google Drive was I was getting emails from Gmail that your drive is full and you have to either delete or you have to go for a paid plan. So what I decided is, I will download all the things client wise, like email wise. I have to download everything and save in a folder, and then I will delete all the files from my email. What I decided. I asked my article to do this, and he took whole day, but he is not able to complete the flow. Like for a client there were around I guess 400 plus PDFs or attachments. So it took a whole day, but he was not able to finish it. So I created a flow. This now what will happen is, when I click on run, automatically a folder will be created here, not here, in this side, and it has been completed. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me quickly delete some of the folders, and let me me try to run it again. So now you can see I have clicked on run and a new folder has been created, and automatically from a particular email, after applying the conditions, where I have given the conditions, I will show you. It can download all the files and it can save in your computer. So in a step retrieve email, I have given the IMAP server configurations. I have given my Gmail ID, my app password, and in the email filter I have given some filters. I have applied some filters that from the inbox I want to fetch the email, not for all the attachment but for this particular party where the subject contains this. If I will remove this, it will fetch all the data for this particular email ID. And what I want to do, I don't want to save the attachment, or I want to save the attachment. Where I want to save, I have created a variable, and that's it. Now what more we can do is, let's suppose we want to rename multiple invoices. After getting multiple invoices from our client or customers, we want to rename each invoice, each PDF invoice with the invoice number. So how to do that? That also we can do here. So right now here I am having a action where I have to select my PDF folder path. Let me quickly run this, then I will explain. It is running, and what is going to happen in the backend, let me show you. It is actually trying to rename these invoices here. What exactly the use case was, let me tell you again. Let me open the PDF folder where I have saved all the attachments of the invoices that Lokesh ji has sent just in the beginning of this meeting. Why my mouse is not working? So here you can see our invoice looks like this, and in each invoice, in some area we are having the invoice number, right? What I want to do is, I want to rename this invoice with, I want to rename the PDF with this, the invoice number. So for that I created a flow where first of all I am trying to get all the files from a folder. That means I have to browse a folder, and then I am extracting text from a PDF file. This is an action, the bold black color line, that is action in Power Automate. In that action, I am just selecting the previous variable. That is, in the first variable we are able to get the PDF file, and then I am trying to extract the text from there. After that, I am just splitting the text. I am splitting the text. I am saving it in a variable, in some container. I am just trying to save the name, and then I am applying the action rename files. Now the moment I click on run, oh okay, I have to click on stop first because I have not given the correct path. Okay. I am selecting the folder again. So this was this new folder where I was having around 269 or 279 files. And I am clicking on run. So now you can see what is going to happen. You can see automatically it is going to read the invoice number from each PDF. It will store the value somewhere in this variable, and then it will rename the file automatically. So the flow has been the task has been completed, and now if we can see, we are not having any other name other than this number. Now what I want to do is, in the rename file, I want to add plus sales invoice like this. I am giving a gap and I am writing the text with single quotes. The moment I run this flow now what will happen, you can see. Now you can see what is going to happen. It is writing the invoice number first, then sales invoice. So this is how you can make the things in Power Automate. I know I have not shown the complete flow because I think you will be getting more confused if I am going to if I will try to explain loop and variable in a very shorter time. If you want this flow, I will give the flow post meeting so that you can use this code and in your PC, and you will be able to do the things in your own computer. It will be very easy for you. Now the thing is, let's suppose in your office you are having multiple clients, and if you want to download ITR for all of your clients, then what to do, how to do that in Power Automate. For that also we can create a flow here, and already I have created a flow where I will just click, I will just run the flow, and automatically it will log in into the IT portal of my client, and it will fetch the ITR copy for latest 3 years, and it will save in a folder. How? Let me show you. I am just clicking on this run button to run it from here itself, and now automatically in a few seconds it will open Microsoft Edge web browser. We have to wait. It is asking me for save path, where I want to save the ITR. So I am giving it okay on desktop. You can save here in ITR folder, and now you can see what is going to happen. Automatically income tax portal is going to open. The login button is there, PAN number is there. It will enter the password automatically. It will click on continue. It will go to e-file, income tax returns, view file returns. It will click Control F to find the assessment year. It is typing, it is downloading automatically. You can see the things are getting downloaded automatically, and the things are completed. Even you can see it has closed Microsoft Edge. Now if I go to this ITR folder, okay, sorry, not ITR, this client folder, because in the code I have given a command to save in to create a new folder with the client name underscore PAN number, so that it will be easy for me to identify. And now if I click on this date modified, so last time I have downloaded it on 4th, and again it has been downloaded today. So this is how we can just download ITR of our client. Similarly, you can create a flow for downloading your GSTR returns, downloading GSTR challans, or downloading anything from any web portal. For example, let me show you My system is getting very slow. What happened? I don't know. I'm showing you a portal where we are having a HTML table and we cannot select this one. I am just dropping the portal link with you all in the chat box. Someone is asking to show the ITR downloading flow. Okay, I will show that. Kausalji is asking how it will read only invoice number column. There are multiple data in PDF. Yes, Kausalji, there are multiple data in your PDF, but for that we have set given a variable split text. One action was there. So when we are getting the data from PDF in the first step,
I think their internet is slow and got disconnected. Yes, reconnected. You
okay,
can
what happened?
Yes, yes. I think got disconnected.
Okay, sorry. So let me quickly reshare my screen. So I am going to say reshare this link if someone has missed.
This is there in the chats already.
Okay, it is there in the chat. So you can please try and everyone please open this link, and if you can try to copy this data here, you won't be able to do this. And you know what, Power Query is a very wonderful tool which can be used for scraping data from any website, and even you cannot scrape this kind of data in your Power Query, but you can do this in your Power Automate. So for this I created a flow in Power Automate. I am not able to use my mouse. So with the 4 steps only, first of all I launched a new Chrome browser. I took the action launch Chrome browser, and here I have just given the link of that, or I have just given the URL, and then I have just saved this action. In the next action I selected extract data from web page, where I have given the previous variable, the variable we got in the first step. I have just assigned that variable here and just saved this one. Then I have taken an Excel, I have taken an action launch Excel with a blank document, and in the advanced part, okay, I have not selected anything, and then I have just written the data into that Excel sheet like this. The moment I click on run, it will first launch a new Chrome browser, it will open the URL, and then it will take the data from the HTML table, and then it will open a new Excel sheet, it will write the data in that Excel. Now you can see it is taking the data from this HTML table, and now it will open a new Excel file. My system is hanged, I am not able to use it. Just a moment. Okay. Is my screen visible to all?
Yes.
Okay. My system is very slow. I think from today morning continuously I am working on the system, so for that reason it is getting slower now.
It is saying that it is too much to take now.
So you can see around 1827, 1827 rows are there, and how it extracted the data. So this is what we can do with Power Automate. A lot more things are there that we can do here, but due to constraint of time, I don't think that I will be able to show you more. So I am just sharing one Google form with you all in the chat box, and I would request you all to kindly fill up the Google form, because I have something for you. Kapil Oja is saying, sir, some website require CAPTCHA, in that case flow will work. Yes, sir, in that case also flow will work. There are two options: either you can solve the CAPTCHA. For that, again, two things are there. There is an option to read the screen and apply OCR within Power Automate. Either you can go with that action, or there are multiple APIs available in market. You can buy that API and you can integrate the API here for solving your CAPTCHA. The same thing I am going to do for scrapping GST portal data. Already I am working on that, and I am trying to solve it using without using any API, using the default OCR options of Power Automate. Lokesh is saying, last time I myself missed to, okay, I think for filling the form is saying. And you know what, with the form also there is one use case. When you are going to fill the form, automatically you are going to receive one customized email for you. So after filling the form, please check that email, and in the email you will be able to find the freebie also for you. There are some Tally TDLs, and how to use those TDLs we will be going to demonstrating on 8 March. The meeting details will be there. Ramaji is saying, can we download data from WhatsApp and save in a folder and in Excel, client mobile number? And Rama Raju ji, if something is coming in your mind, definitely it is possible. Nothing is there which is impossible. We can do that, but for that we need official WhatsApp API, and standalone Power Automate will not work. We have to take any subscription of third party. I don't know Power Automate is having connection with 360 Dialog or not, but some third party aggregators are there who are working with Meta. They are partner of Meta, that is Facebook. So using those extensions we can do that. There is an option for that, but that will be very messy, because using WhatsApp official API for your business, that is not that easy. Sir, why form is asking tally serial number? Tally serial number is asked so that the TDL that you have received in your email, or you are going to receive in your email, that will be activated accordingly. Because these free gifts are only for those who waited till the end of this webinar. For as you have given your time, so I thought I should give something to you.
Okay, I was busy filling the form this time. I'm the
Okay.
first one to fill the form. Last time I also missed. I don't know. I was not ready actually. Okay. We don't have tally serial number. Yes. Tally
Okay,
number
you can
not.
write 1, 2, 3. Later on, you can update your tally serial number if you don't have. Anything for non-tally user? For non-tally users, okay, I am dropping my mobile WhatsApp number. You can just drop a hi message on WhatsApp, and definitely we will cover you. But those who have already filled the form and with your tally serial number, please don't expect anything else. Just kidding. You can drop a message, and definitely we will give something to you. I will share the flows, how to merge multiple PDFs, how to split multiple PDFs, how to get data from email, how to connect your email. There are multiple flows that I have shown. I will share those flows with you on the WhatsApp, so that you can use that. And if you want hands-on training on this, then we will connect someday. LKG Singh got an email immediately. Okay, so this was the last flow for today. Now I think my screen is already shared.
Yes, screen is visible.
Okay, so let me go to Power Automate my flows. This is a cloud flow because I don't want to trigger something manually. Whenever I am getting a form response, automatically I want to send an email. I don't have to think, right? For example, if you are filling this form in midnight, 2 a.m., 3 a.m. like that, then also I don't have to worry. I am sleeping, but Microsoft Power Automate is going to work for me. I have created a very simple flow here, and this flow took around 3 to 4 minutes to create, where I have added a trigger when a new form is submitted or when a new response is submitted. Get the response detail first, save it somewhere, and then get files from my Google Drive. I will show you where I have not Google Drive, I have selected OneDrive here. I will show you where I have kept these files. So in my local computer, in the attachment folder, I am having these 3 files, and you can see I have given the link of those files here one by one. As there were 3 files, so I have used this action 3 times, and then in the last I have selected this Outlook action, where I want to you can mark one thing while reading the email. It will be dear Lokesh, dear Kausalji, dear Ramaji, like that, whatever name you have given in your Microsoft form. So I have used this variable. The subject is there, the email ID is the message body is there, and the attachment files are there. So this was that simple, and with this I would like to just complete the things. Okay, wait, stop sharing. Anyone, any questions? You can please unmute yourself now and you can ask.
Anybody can unmute
Thank you,
themselves
Mayank.
now. Please share flows. I
Yeah,
think
you can please drop a message on WhatsApp and we will share the flows.
yes. So
Thank you,
anybody who wants
Meenakshi.
to say anything? I am really short of words. So many things are possible, but we don't know. And this is really taking a lot of time. I am
Hello,
really,
sir.
yes.
Sir, I was trying to merge PDF from Power Automate, but I could not. You just
Okay. You can share your screen, I will guide you.
and download. I have downloaded Power Automate, and I was trying to do, but I had created a new folder also on desktop, but it did not get saved. The merge
No
folder.
problem. You can please share your screen. I will guide you step by step. Only one step was there for merging the PDF, so we can do it quickly. You can please share your screen. Everyone who missed that flow, merging PDF, you can
Yes, we are
please,
going to see it live again.
yeah.
See, this one is flow merge.
Slow, little bit slow.
Avanji is asking, can it be used if one uses Microsoft 365? 365 is different, but yes, with 360, you can use the desktop flow, that is free of cost. Okay, madam, please click twice on this merge.pdf.
Merge.
Yeah, click twice. Double click.
Nothing is happening.
Okay, please unselect that. Please hover your mouse on that. Okay, go to that 3 dot. The play button is there, stop button is there, edit button, then information, then 3 dot is there. Blue color 3 dot, 1, 2, 3.
Near 30 minutes, yes.
Done.
Okay, create, go with the new flow.
Create a
On the left, on click on that new flow.
Please pardon, which one?
New flow on the left top
Acha,
corner.
new
New flow. Yeah. Give a name.
merge PDF.
Anything. Don't give the same name. Okay, merge only. Create. Okay, wait. So I think the flow was already opened in your computer. For that reason, you were not able to reopen that.
Maybe.
I think that was the reason. You can check in your taskbar. Okay, now in the search action, please type merge PDF. Yeah. Drag it and drop it in the center. Yeah. Just drop it. Now, which PDF you want to merge? Select all the PDFs that you want to merge. Yeah, click on that.
I need just for test.
Yeah, no problem. Go with that. Open. Now, if you are getting a red color box here, just delete any character that is the first character, that percentage sign, and retype that percent sign there. It will be removed. Okay.
I'll
Now,
delete this percentage sign and then I'll type it again.
correct. In the
Oh,
same
this
place.
is what I missed.
Okay. Yeah. Retype that. Retype.
Percentage.
Correct. Now in the second option, it is asking merge PDF path, where you want to get the file.
I'll create.
And what should be the file name? 123.pdf, anything, m.pdf. But you have to give the extension. Make sure you are giving extension .pdf. Open. Now, if you want add sequential suffix, like again, if you are going to do it for another one file, like you are going to merge more PDFs next time, then that will come as m.pdf bracket 1. After that, it will come m.pdf bracket 2. The latest file will come with the sequential suffix. Okay.
Okay.
So now click on save. Now save your flow first. With the before the run button, there is a button for save. Click on that button.
On this one?
Below help.
No.
Below help.
Below help.
Help.
On the top, you can see a blue line. Is there.
Yeah.
Header.
This one?
Yeah. Yes,
Save.
this one. Save your flow first, and then you have to click on run. If
Now
this works, you are going to pay me 10,000 rupees.
What happened? क्या हो गया? I have to mute Gautam ji now.
Just kidding. I don't want any money. Just kidding.
But in that folder, nothing has got saved. The folder which I selected.
Wait. Go back to that place. Go back to that flow.
Yeah.
Click on run again.
Run.
Run. After save button,
This
run
one.
button is there. Yes. Wait here. Wait. Maximize the screen. Maximize. Okay, now check.
Yeah. Now it has come.
But it is coming as right click and open with PDF. And check if it is working or not.
Yes.
It's working?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is how you can merge your PDFs. Nagabhusan ji is saying, can we create trigger in desktop Power Automate? Yes, definitely we can do that using a batch file or a bat file. We can do that. That will be an advanced topic. So I thought I should not show that kind of flows here, because already I think I have created some confusion with variable and loops. So better to just see the possibility, because today my
Objective.
my motive was to show you what are the possibilities in Power Automate and why we should use this. We don't have to go to any online applications on any online websites. We can do everything offline using this Power Automate desktop application. And the best part is it is free of cost. You don't have to pay anything for Power Automate desktop.
Thank you, Gautam Sharma ji. My name is Prashant.
Thank you.
Thank you for
Thank
the
you,
valuable
Prashant ji.
session. Actually, I'm shocked. It was like a shocking moment for me. Like there are so many things are happening around us, and it's really it's I mean time to update. Otherwise, we may get outdated.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, Prashant ji. Your words keeps us motivating, and we can plan more sessions if time permits and if you would allow.
Definitely, I also want to learn more. I also want to learn more. Anyways, we'll see how we can do this. Anyone has any more doubts? Because PDF to Excel is really, really a common problem. Downloading ITR is a common problem. Merging, demerging is a common problem, which we are doing every day. And if this can be done on automation, it will be super. PDF to Excel, Excel to Tally, all these things. And you are saying it's like desktop based, so no need to give it to any GPT or anything. Superb, superb. Anybody
Medha
who,
Pandey ji is asking Excel to Tally. So for Excel to Tally, definitely there are multiple and hundreds or thousands of tools available in market.
yes,
Even Tally has its own Excel to Tally, and that is wonderful. You should first give a try for that. And if you want that you are sleeping and your computer is turned on, and after every 3 or 4 hours, like morning 9 a.m. and then afternoon 1 p.m. and then evening 5 p.m., automatically your tally should be opened in your computer. Whatever Excel data you are having, that should be dumped in your tally, and everything should be closed, and you should get an email, madam, your task has been completed. If you want that kind of flow, you can use Power Automate. That can be done.
PDF to Excel, Manishji was already shown today. Hmm. Can we take flow steps from
Yes, Manish
Copilot?
ji, PDF we can convert, and that is very easy. Uh, Someone who has shared the screen, can you please stop sharing your screen so that I can reshare my screen, and if I can show how we can convert the PDF bank statements. So Manish ji, this is for you. You can see with only 4 or 5 or 6 steps, we can create a flow where we can just browse our PDF. It doesn't matter which bank you are having, you can just browse your PDF and you can do the things. Oh wait, I think I have opened. Where is that PDF? Yes, this is here. Can we convert image to Excel? Yes, we can convert image file also. For that we need to use the OCR action. You can see here, if I type OCR, text with OCR, okay. If I type image, you can see extract image from PDF or multiple things will be there. So for converting the PDF bank statements, first I have selected the extract table from PDF Excel. Then I created a variable that from each page, in each page there can be multiple tables. So after reading the first table, I have to go to the next table. After completing the next table, I have to go to the next page and I have to read the tables again. So I have created a variable, and for getting the next table and the next page, I created another variable for increasing it. Like I have to increase the old variable with 1 every time, and to do it every time automatically, I am using the loop condition, and at the end I have to write everything in the Excel or a CSV. So I am using the action write to CSV, and the moment I click on run, automatically it will convert my bank PDF to my CSV sheet.
Beautiful, beautiful, really. So, Gautamji, really, in fact, I have got some DMs even now only, how we can learn more. So, I'll connect with you. how we can proceed this for the, because many people, I am sure, including me, we want to learn more. Definitely.
Yeah, definitely we can plan for that and we
Yes,
can
yes.
go with that.
Okay, definitely I'm going to do that.
All right. So last time I'm sharing the Google form, Microsoft form with you. If you have missed the form or if you have joined lately, and if you want to get the free TDLs, you can just fill up the form. If you have already filled, don't fill it twice.
Okay, so what word should I say? I don't know, but definitely one of the best sessions. We have learned so much,
No,
and
no.
you are generous enough to give so much. And I was excited for the session, no doubt, and definitely worth the time and efforts that we have learned so much and so much possibilities. The main thing is that we get to know that what is possible.
I would like to clarify one thing
Yes, yes.
because I think this is what I should clarify in the beginning itself, because most of the people might have joined that they are going to learn, and I tried to teach something, but within 1 or 2 hours we cannot teach coding or something like this. So definitely I have just shown the use case, what more we can do. There are seamless possibilities or endless possibilities. We can whatever comes to your mind that can be done using Power Automate, please mark that word.
Yes,
I
definitely,
tried using
definitely.
Power Automate during COVID times, and I created a flow that time. Every day I have to connect my client's computer through AnyDesk using unattended password. In his computer, I have to open one application, local software application. From there, I have to download the Excel sheet of sales or purchase register. I have to copy that to my local computer by creating a folder date wise, system date wise, and then from that Excel I have to import the data to Tally. That was the biggest use case in my beginner time that I have created, and it worked for me and it saved a lot of time, because before that my client used to ask me every day, Gautam, whether your office members have taken the data for yesterday's, like that. But after that flow, he have never called me for that particular thing, and everything has been done automatically. And that was a time when Microsoft has announced that the Power Automate desktop will be free for all. I have used the paid version also before that. So Pankaj is saying, please send video to me because I joined late. Pankaj, you can follow Lokesh's YouTube channel, and not only this session, you will be able to learn a lot of things. I think around 60 or 70 different kind of topics will be there in that YouTube channel that you will be able to learn.
Okay, we'll wind up. We'll
Yeah,
wind up. Thank you so much. I'll share the number and Gautamji's LinkedIn also. Plus, definitely many people gave the link of YouTube channel. This is most
Uh,
important.
just to add one, Gautamji, can we translate a file like a PDF file is there? If I to translate, can I do through Power Automate, because you have in different
yeah.
languages like in the German and not some translation I have to done, big files are there. Can we possible with that?
Manish ji, whatever
Yeah.
comes to your mind, most of the things means related to the flows and trigger and actions, that is possible in Power Automate. In Power Automate, you can use API. So for
Okay.
translation, you can use either ChatGPT or Google's API, which is the best one. And integrating API, first you have to collect the data, and then you have to integrate the API for fetching which language is that, and then you have to call an action for converting that particular language to your regional language or the language you prefer, and then write into a PDF file. That's it. It can be done very easily. It can be done.
Through this
Just
Power
we need to
Automation I have to
integrate one
done.
API.
Okay, no, but this can be done through Power API Automation, or we can do through API. But the
No,
different
no.
things are there.
API is something that we have to use within the automation.
Okay.
API means just a connector.
Okay. Okay.
Just a
Okay.
connector for connecting two things.
Okay. Got it. Got it. Got it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Huh? It's a nice session. Thank you,
Thank you,
Gautamji.
Manishi. Thank
Okay.
you.
So we'll wind up. One last request once again. In the groups also, you can write some feedback so that we can, everybody can see that how much we enjoy in the live session, and encouragement to the speaker, to the organizer, everyone. So we'll wind up. Thank you so much. And definitely I'm going to connect with you, Gautamji. I was thinking PDF to Excel, everybody is telling, but this is the most simplest and easiest way I could see. And
Yeah.
definitely income tax download and all these are there only. They are the most important things. So definitely for all, let me see how we can do the things. Okay. So thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. It was really, really amazing. And thank you so much, Gautam ji. Powerhouse of knowledge, or whatever I want, I say,
No,
matlab.
no, nothing. I am just a beginner and still I am a learner and I
Oh
want to
my
be the
God.
learner only because a lot of faculties are there who have taken the sessions earlier and a lot more are going to take sessions in the future and they are amazing lecturers and teachers.
Okay.
So I also got to
So we'll
learn a
wind up.
lot of things. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much,
Thank
everyone.
you.
Thank you so much.